going?
She's sleeping behind the wheel. She hit the fire hydrant in the middle.
How are you? You okay? You have your license with you?
I was out with my friend and we came out to get out here and...
Okay, where were you at? Just waiting right here? Just parked right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you okay?
I'm good, I'm just a little bit tired, yeah.
A little tired? Alright. See, something's wrong with your leg.
Yeah, knee surgery.
Are you taking any medication for it or anything? No? Alright. There's a little bit of damage from the impact from the fire hydrant. It's up to you if you want to make a full crash report. But
I'm not, but I'm good. I didn't crash. It's fine, whatever. It's fine.
Alright, ma'am, I'm going to have you sign right here.
You're lucky you're pretty. You're lucky you're pretty.
As of right now, no one's moving the vehicle. So.
No, she's not. No.
We're going to do one more. Just saying you don't want
I'm so sorry this happened.
It's alright. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just back it up a little bit back into the handicap spot. So that way it's off the hydrant.
That's fine. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Better day.
Are you okay, bro? You're okay?
I'm good. I'm very good.
I make sure.
Like I told him, the only thing I'm going to do is just, I'm going to move my car a little bit and back it into the handicap.
If that's what you want,
I'll move it for you, that's fine. It's only a couple feet.
I'm very capable, it's fine. If you want me to push it back,
I'll move it back, it's fine.
No, it's fine.
It's a couple feet.
I wish you would at least told me or at least
I'm good. I'm good.
Your license back.
Thank you.
I know you're good, but I would have at least figured
You're good?
You're good?
I didn't know they were going to do all this. I promise you I didn't.
Just a little dent right there.
Okay.
It's, like I said, it's up to you if you want to do a full crash report for that little bit of damage or you want to try and get it fixed on your own. It's your decision.
It's fine. It's nothing, it's really...
Alright, like I said before, you're not driving this anywhere. Okay? You cannot drive it. You need to get an Uber, you need to get someone else to drive. So even though they checked your vitals out, that's one thing, but you and him, I can smell alcohol coming from the breath. So I'm not I'm not having you guys drive away.
That's cool.
Okay?
You're lucky I'm here, to be honest. Because your mom would have been whooped your ass. Yeah, she would have.
I'm a grown woman. I don't need
She would have stepped. That don't matter.
Hey, sir, can you do me a favor? Can you step over there for a second, please? Ma'am, come over here.
Yes, sir.
What's going on? Hi, what happened?
I don't know. They're telling me that I'm not allowed to drive my car, so I'm respecting that. If that's what he wants, that's fine. You know? I'm with my friend here, but...
What happened as far as this?
As far as what? I mean, I parked here, O'Shea's, and that's it. I mean,
You parked into a fire hydrant?
Not specifically into a fire hydrant, no.
Then how did that happen?
I was close, yeah.
You're what?
I was close to the fire hydrant, yeah.
You were very close to the fire hydrant.
Yeah, I know. I'm not...
So you were here to go to O'Shea's, or you went to O'Shea's?
Yeah, I came to O'Shea's.
You came to O'Shea's?
Yeah.
What'd you do in O'Shea's?
I was inside, we ate breakfast, we had a couple things to eat and drink.
And drink? How much did you drink?
I like a shot.
Just one or shot or two?
Yeah, I did.
What's your ID, please?
Of course.
Give me a second. Your driver's okay? It's okay?
Yeah, she's good.
Why is there a brace on your knee?
Huh?
Why is there a brace on your kney?
I've had issues with my knee surgery. I've had two of them.
When did you have surgery?
Huh?
When did you have surgery on your knee?
This is probably like 2017. Yeah.
And there's been problems ever since?
Yeah. Is there a problem?
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong?
Should we go back over there for a second? Are you with her?
Huh?
Are you with her?
That's my friend.
Are you? She's your friend? Okay. Well, your friend's probably going to go to jail for DUI.
What?
For DUI.
For what?
Ma'am, I need you to consent to a alcohol intoxication evaluation.
Okay, I'm sorry. What is the problem?
You're drinking and driving, and
I
you hit a
didn't
fire
drink
hydrant.
and drive. Come on,
You
sir.
just said you were drinking inside of there.
I did when I got here, sir. When I got here.
And then you got in your car.
Yes.
And then you drove into a fire hydrant.
I parked near a fire hydrant. Yes.
She was parked.
Do you consent to evaluations to see how intoxicated you are? Roadside evaluations.
Say again?
Roadside evaluations.
What does that entail?
That entail like a walk and turn, putting your finger against your nose, stuff like that.
So did you like do like the test like?
That's fine.
That's fine.
It's fine. I don't know.
Because like,
What do you want me to do?
Because I can smell alcohol coming from your breath.
You can?
Hmm?
Okay.
Well, that could be anything, but like
All
as
right.
far as I'm concerned, like
If you
I don't know if like
listen,
you're inclined to like do like she's fine.
I know what
Really, like,
I know what that entails. I just want to understand because for me, the only issue is with my knee. But I'm okay with if you want me to do like whatever, like a balance thing.
Just do me a
That's
favor,
fine.
stand over there, please.
she's handicapped.
Do me a favor, stand over there, please.
Yeah, but like I just want.
No, no, it's okay.
Yeah,
Baba,
just
it's fine.
stand over there,
It's
please.
fine. Baba, it's fine.
Thank you.
I'm worried.
Baba, please. It's fine.
Just do me a favor, just look at the tip of the pen.
Mm-hmm.
Do not move your head at all, okay?
Let me know because I'll call Victoria. I'll call like.
I do see that you've got a brace on your knee.
It's fine. I'm okay with doing the other whatever.
Walk and turns.
What do you want me to do? So like,
You like what?
I don't know. You tell me. It's your.
I'll be honest, it's been a while since I've done them, so give me a second.
It's fine.
It's been way too long since I've done one of these. Just turn around, put your hands by your back.
Huh?
Turn around, put your hands by your back, please.
Sir, please. I was gonna do the test. Why
I know.
you gotta do that?
Because I'll be honest, I'm not that great at it. Turn around.
No, because come on. Just because you're not great, sir.
It's okay.
You're arresting her?
Sir.
I'm arresting her.
For what?
For DUI.
For
For
DUI?
what?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Sir, I can't even do the test.
Well, what
You're
I'm
not
going
gonna
to
let
do.
me do the test.
Hey,
really?
listen to me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to
She's
take you to the sheriff's
handicapped.
office.
She's
I know,
handicapped.
I know,
She's
I
handicapped.
know.
Really?
What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to the sheriff's office. I'm going to give you a chance to do a.
Why do I have to wait
has
to
a
do that
handicap
there?
on
Why
that
can't I
card.
do it there?
Because I don't have one of those here.
Why can't I do it
Have a
here? Officer, please.
What's that?
Officer. Officer.
Want to have a seat?
Officer, please.
I know.
Officer.
She's not driving. We're taking her
No,
home.
officer.
I know you were taking her home. Go ahead, have a seat.
Can you please?
There you go.
No, it's
Going all the way in.
fine. No, it's fine.
Can I
No, it's
buckle this at least?
Well,
I
what it
can't
does, it
bend
buckles
my
around
knee.
He's doing
you.
his job. He's doing
I
his job.
can't, I know. I'm just.
There you go. Go ahead and get in.
I know you're doing your job.
Does she have shoes?
I have
She
shoes
did
in my
Go
car.
grab her shoes for her, all right?
Shoes? I don't know where they
Officer,
are.
really?
Yeah.
Why can't you just let me do the test?
Okay, watch out. Because like I said, I'm not a great at it, so
Well,
what I'm
that
going to do,
doesn't-
I'm going to take you out to the sheriff's office so you have a
No,
chance
okay,
to
well
go
then
back.
why can't you have the sheriff come
So watch out.
here?
The sheriff can't come here. I've got to go there.
Is it
Yeah, it is.
Is it really that like? necessary?
It is. It's extremely necessary. Yeah.
Well, if it is like that's I just want to understand like why is she being detained?
For DUI.
Yeah, but like
That's an arrestable offense.
arrested for what?
DUI.
For what?
DUI.
A DUI?
Yes, sir. What are we going to do with your car? Can he take your car? Is drivable? It's drivable, right? Did you come with her?
I didn't drive with her.
You didn't drive with her? All right.
Sir,
We don't need to tow it
Sir.
then. What's that? Do we have someone come pick up your car here?
no, wait, hold on.
Do we have someone come pick up your car? If not, we don't have to have it towed
Whoa,
probably.
can we please take it one step at a time, please?
That's the first step.
Okay.
Other
Right.
than, all right, well, first step is being arrested. Second step
No,
is
no,
what
that
we'll
was
do.
that was your step because you said you wasn't able to do this test,
All right, so what are we going to
and
do
I don't
as far
understand
as
that because
what are we
I'm
going
like,
to do?
you're an officer. Come on,
Show the car. All right.
officer, please. No, I'm not trying to be.
No, I know, but I just got to try to figure out what to do with your car. We can't just leave it here.
No,
I just want
What's
you,
that?
Back there with her?
leave it
Oh,
here.
yeah, you put those back with her.
Can I ask you? I want you.
Well, it's parked in a disabled.
Listen, at the end of the day, I know you're doing your job. I know you're doing your
I know.
job, and like, I honestly, at the end of the day, but I want you, like, you know what I mean? she's handicapped. That's
I know.
fine.
I saw her away. That's why I don't feel safe
hope-
really giving her
like, I hope
the other stuff.
Like, to be a good person.
I am.
Like, is there anything? Is there anything
I'm
that
already in the backseat. I can't do anything.
like?
Like I'm legitimately.
Like
I'm
this,
never had
this is
happen.
this like it's hor- like it doesn't work out. It really doesn't work.
I know it doesn't.
I know you're gonna take me there, but please.
1 Charlie 2, well, I'm going to have a 10-15 for DUI. 51 of the bat.
Well, okay, so like, it's fine. It's fine. It's gonna be okay.
All right.
It's gonna be okay.
All right, my partner's going to have to roll up your window. What are we going to do with your car?
That's what we're gonna figure it out.
Well, no. Hey, all right, stop. Hang on. Here's the problem. You're going to go to jail. What are we doing with your car? Perfect. All right, watch out.
What are you gonna do with her car?
We're going to have to tow it. Hey, the sheriff's office.
I'm sorry. Did I offend you in any way?
No. You committed a criminal offense, and I've got to take action on that.
I legitimately can't hear you.
No, I'm sure. You committed a criminal offense, and I've got to take action on that.
A criminal offense for how? You didn't. Wait, first of all, sir, you didn't breathalyze me. Right?
I don't do that out there.
Okay, no, that's fine. You didn't breathalyze me. You didn't even do the test there. How are you gonna say it's a criminal offense? Because I tapped a fire hydrant?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, come on. And then you're gonna like handcuff me like that. Like it's honestly insane. Like I get that you have me back here, but I'm not able to do anything.
I know.
You already saw me. Look, I get it. That's your job. I get it. I'm not trying to like. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. I'm sorry.